Let's go.
Hello viewers, Teacher Isaac here from Mona Educational Services. I want to welcome you again to this lecture. So friends, today we are going through some O-level math revision questions. So we are doing some revision in the topic of functions, and we have a beautiful number here. They are telling us that given that fx is equivalent to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, then we're having another function, gx equal to x squared, and we're having hx equal to 12 minus x. Now they want us to find part A, f inverse of 1. Part B, they want us to find gh of 2. Now this one is a composite function. Then lastly, they want us to find x if gx is equivalent to hx. So friends, I'm starting with part A, whereby they want the inverse, f inverse of 1. So what we are going to do, we are going to first write the function of fx. So our fx is equivalent to x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Now, friends, I told you, to do such a number, you are supposed to first find the inverse of the function. And I told you, the inverse of a function is getting the opposite, or turning a function inside out. So friends, what we are going to first do, we are going to first find the f inverse of x. And I told you when we are doing this, we follow 3 steps. First, we are going to let the function fx to be equivalent to any unknown, maybe like p, such that where we are having fx, we shall have p now being equivalent to x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Now, that is step number 1. Step number 2, we shall try to make x the subject. What we are going to do here, we shall put this one over 1, and we shall try to cross multiply. When you cross multiply here, we shall have p into x minus 1 being equivalent to x plus 3. So we shall expand this such that we shall have px, then a minus p being equivalent to x plus 3. So what we are going to do here, we shall collect like terms. I'm going to bring the x this side such that I have px. When I bring this x this side, it will come as a negative, being equivalent to, I will take the p the other side. P is a negative, so when it crosses, it will become a positive, then plus 3. So I'm having a common factor here, and the common factor is x. I'll pull it out. When I pull out x, I'll be having x into p minus 1, being equivalent to p plus 3. Friends, you can see when I put back the x inside the bracket, I will still get back px and a negative x. So to make x the subject, I will divide by p minus 1 on both sides. Let me write it here. I'm having x into p minus 1 being equivalent to p plus 3. So I'll divide both sides with p minus 1, even here, p minus 1. So this and this will go, and I'll end up having x being equivalent to p plus 3 divided by p minus 1. So the last step is concluding. We shall substitute x with our inverse function. So this will be the f inverse of x. And where we are having p, we shall replace back x, because this is a function in x. So we shall have x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. So friends, that is our beautiful inverse here. Come on, teacher.